use synthetic division and the remainder theorem to evaluate p of c, where c is a half and p of x is 4x squared plus 2x plus 4. We know that if we take p of x and we divide it by x minus c, then the remainder is equal to the function evaluated at c. Furthermore, if the p of c is 0, then x minus c will be a factor of p of x. Here we just want to find out what p of c equals. So our divisor is going to be a half, and the coefficients are 4, 2, and 4. 4 is going to be the leading coefficient in the quotient. 4 times a half is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 times a half is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. So this time our remainder is 6. And it also equals p of a half. So we would enter 6 as our answer. For more confidence, we could check using substitution. P of a half would equal 4 times 1/2 squared plus 2 times a half plus 4, which is 4 times a fourth plus 1 plus 4, which is 1 plus 1 plus 4, which is indeed 6. So this would give us a great deal of confidence that we had done the synthetic division correctly. So let's move to our second example, where p of x is 4x to the fifth plus 10x cubed plus x plus 1, and c is negative 2. So we'll be dividing by negative 2. And when we look at the coefficients, we notice that the x to the fourth and the x squared terms are missing, and so we'll have to insert coefficients of 0 for those. So 4 is the coefficient of x to the fifth, 0 for x to the fourth, 10 for x cubed, 0 for x squared, 1 for x, and the constant 1. Four will be the leading quotient in the leading coefficient in the quotient. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Added to 0 is negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 2 is 16. Added to 10 is 26. 26 times negative 2 is negative 52. Added to 0 is negative 52. Times negative 2 is 104. Added to 1 is 105. Times negative 2 is negative 210. Added to 1 is negative 209. So our remainder, which should be p of negative 2, excuse me, that's a negative 2, is negative 209. If you wanted to check by substitution, we can substitute negative 2 for x, and get 4 times negative 2 to the 5th plus 10 times negative 2 to the 3rd plus negative 2 plus 1. This is 4 times negative 32 plus 10 times negative 8 plus negative 1. 4 times negative 32 is negative 128. The next term is negative 80. And then we have the negative 1. Negative 128 plus negative 80 would be negative 208 plus 1 would be negative 209. So we are getting the same value in both cases.